Another example here. Here we have, again, we want to notice that we have two sides to the equal sign. The left side's all cleaned up. You can't add like terms or distribute, but this right-hand side, you can still add like terms. So that's basically where we're going to start. Left-hand side's all good. Right-hand side, check it out. We got two x terms, so we're going to go ahead and add those up, add like terms. Negative 5x's and then minus 10x's, that's going to make negative 15x's, and then we still have the plus 2 there. Now we have both sides all cleaned up, all simplified. So now we look to, do our solving. So we want to isolate the variable. We got negative 12x's and negative 15x's. We got x's on both sides. We just want x's on one side or the other. So looks like that. At the bottom of our work, we're going to want x equals. So here we go. We don't want negative 15x's on the right. So we're going to do the opposite, 15x's to both sides. So it looks like this. Now we have negative 12x's plus 15x's makes 3x's. We still got the plus 8. We still got the equal sign. Negative 15x plus 15x, 0x's on the right, so just equals 2. Now we got the two-step equation. Subtract 8, then divide by 3. Subtract 8 to both sides. Looks like that. So now we have 3x, no more 8's. 2 minus 8 makes a negative 6. And this you're thinking you have $2, you have to pay 8. You don't have enough to pay it off, so it'll be negative. And then how much do you have to pay? 8 minus 2 or 6 amount. Next up, undo the 3 with a divide by 3 to both sides. 3 over 3, that just makes 1x. Negative 6 divided by 3, negative divided by a positive is negative. 6 divided by 3 makes 2. And there's a value for the variable that makes the equation true.